Brush your teeth. Brush them. Say ah. Brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Say ah. Ah. It's harder to tell with this if I'm getting her teeth. No. There you go. Let's get the gums too. Those hard to reach places. Let go. Let's see if we can get the back. Yay! Oh. Oh. You gonna do it? Close. You gonna try the other way? Yay! Good girl.
Alright.
Yay!
That's brushing 101. And now we're gonna brush, brush, brush everything else. Where you going? Where you going? Say bye-bye.
Emily.
Bye-bye. Alright, good job.